Okay, Trinam, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so we're still in Unit 6. Okay, numbers. Lesson 4, numbers. All right. Exercise D, count and write. Then listen and check. Okay. Can you see the picture? Is it clear? Is it clear? Can you see it well?
Yes.
Okay. So how many red pencils you can see in the picture? How many red pencils?
8.
Okay, there's 8 red pencils. How about blue pencils? How many? How many blue pencils you can see in the screen?
16.
16. Very good. Okay, how about yellow? How many yellow pencils are there?
9.
9. Okay, so how many pencils are in total? If you add 8 red pencils, 16 blue pencils, and 9 yellow pencils, what is the total? How many pencils? You will going to add 8 red pencils, 16 blue pencils, and 9 yellow pencils. So how many is it? How many pencils?
13.
30?
3.
Yes, 33. Very good. Okay. How about books? How many pink books you can see? How many pink books?
10.
10. 10 pink books. Okay, how about orange books? How many is it?
7.
7. Okay, and last one, green books. How many green books?
11.
11. Okay, so all in all, how many books are there? We have 10 pink books, 7 orange books, and 11 green books. So how many? How many are in total?
Is
It's
28.
28 books. Very good, Trinam. Okay. Okay, exercise E. Look at D. Exercise D. Ask and answer. Okay, can you read this for me first, Trinam?
Many red pencils are there. There are 8 red pencils.
Okay, so how about yellow pencils? Can you tell me how many yellow pencils are there? Again, how many yellow pencils? There are mhm. There are
9 yellow pencils.
okay, 9 yellow pencils. And how about pink and green books? How many pink and green books? There are
There are
Okay, let's try pink first. Okay, how many pink books are there? There are there
and
are
10 pink books.
Yes, there are 10 pink books. Okay, last one. How about green books? How many green books are there? There are there are
11 green books.
Okay, can you say there are 11 green books? There are
Green books.
Yes, there are 11 green books. Okay, exercise F, activity F. What about your classroom? Okay, make a chart, ask and answer. Okay, so Trina, how many books do you have? How many books do you have? I have, I have, I have. How many books do you have? Hmm? I have.
Many.
How many? 8?
Seven.
7? How many books do you have in your school? 5? How many? For example, I have 8 books. How about you? How about you? How many books do you have? Okay, sorry, what is it again? Give me a number. How many?
16 books.
Wow, okay, 16 books. Okay, how about pencils? How many pencils do you have in your bag? How many pencils?
3.
3. Okay, you have 3 pencils. Okay, so we are now in check-up 3, Unit 5 and 6. Okay, so listen carefully, Trina. Okay,
Page 60. Checkup 3. A. Listen and circle. 1,
Sing,
2,
Sofa.
3,
watch TV,
4,
50.
5,
sleep,
6,
Kitchen.
Page 61. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
Let's play. Good idea.
2,
The living room's messy. Let's clean up. Okay.
okay, so let's go back to the book. Did you listen carefully? Okay, exercise A, listen and circle. Okay, what are they doing in number 1? Things to do in Unit 5. He's What is he doing?
Is singing.
Very good. Okay, how about him? What is he doing? Hmm? What is he doing?
Reading.
Reading. Very
He
good.
reading.
Okay. How about this? How about this? Number 2. What is this thing? What do you call this?
Pen.
Very good. And this one?
Sofa.
Sofa. Okay. Number 3. What is she doing? She's playing. She's playing.
Guitar.
Okay, she's playing a guitar. Okay, how about him? What is he doing? How about him? What is he doing?
TV.
He's
Watching
watching.
TV.
Very good. And what number is this? What number is
50.
this? 50. And how about this one? How about this one? What is this?
15.
15. Very good. And number 5. What is he doing? He's
Here. Singing.
drinking. Drinking.
Drinking.
Very good. Okay, how about her? What is she doing? What is she doing?
He's sleeping.
Yeah, she's sleeping. Okay, so number 6, what part of the house is this? What part of the house is this?
Living room.
Very good. Okay, how about this one? What part of the house?
Kitchen.
Yes, kitchen. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Okay, kitchen. Exercise B, read and check. Okay, so we will going to match it with this. Okay, for example, number 1. Can you read this for me, Trina? What?
Are they doing?
What are they doing? They're
Eating.
eating. Okay, how about number 2? Are there 3 tables in the bathroom? What is your answer? Can you see 3 tables in the bathroom? Yes, they are, or no, there aren't. How about number 2?
No, they aren't.
Yes, no, oops. No, there aren't. Okay. How about number 3? Can you read this for me, Trina? What is the question? What is number 3 question?
Is he listening to music? Yes, he is.
Yes, he is. Okay, how about number 4? What? What?
What's he doing?
Okay, what's he
He's
doing?
reading.
He's reading. Okay, well done, Trina. All right. So let's move to activity C. Right. Okay, number 1. We will going to complete each sentence based on this picture. Okay, can you see the picture? Is it clear? So this is number 1. We will going to complete each sentence based on what we see in this picture. Okay, for example, number 1. Can you read this for me, Trinam? Is there
Computer.
Okay, what is your answer? Is there
Computer.
Okay, is there a clock?
Huh?
Is there a clock next, behind, or in front of the computer? What is your answer? Is there a clock? Is it next to computer, in front of computer, or behind the computer? What is your answer? Is there a clock? What is the right word, right grammar for this? Is there a clock behind, next, or in front?
In next to.
Okay, what is your answer? Next, in front, or behind? Next. Okay, can you complete the sentence? Is there? Can you complete the sentence with your answer? Is there?
The
Is there a clock? Okay, what is your answer? Next? Next to? Is it next to? Next to the computer. Okay, so is there a clock next to the computer? The answer is yes.
There is.
Yes, there is. Okay, how about number 2? Look at number 2. Is it is or are? Should we use is or are? To complete the question, what is your answer? Fill in the blank. Complete the question. Should we use is or are? Yes, are they?
Doing their homework.
Okay, so what is the answer? Are they doing their homework? Look at the picture. No. They? Yes, no, they aren't. Very good. Okay, how about number 3? How? How many?
are there?
Okay, how many books are? Hmm? What is your answer? To complete the question, how many books are?
10.
There, very good. Okay, the answer is there. Is it there is or there are?
10 books.
There are 10 books, plural. Okay. So there are 10 books. Okay. So exercise D. Okay. Trinam, if you listen to the audio that I played earlier, we will going to complete each conversation. Okay. Listen, write, then act. Okay. For example, if your friend invite you to play, let's play. What is your answer? Is it a good idea or a bad idea? Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, it's a good idea. Okay, the living rooms, for example, your mother, imagine that your mother or your father told you that the living rooms is messy. What you gonna do? Are you just gonna let it or you will going to clean it? Hmm? Are you gonna let it messy or you will going to clean it? What you gonna do? For example, your mother told you the living room's messy or your room is messy. What will you say? I will. I will. What will you going to do? Are you just going to leave it
Yes.
dirty or clean? Are you will going to clean it? Hmm? I will.
Con ơi,
Mm,
ngồi nó nghiêm túc hả nó
I will
con
clean it.
bạn
Okay? I will clean it or let's clean it. Okay, so exercise E, what can you do? Read and put a check. Okay, so it is based on our lesson. I can talk about, how about actions? Is it good, okay, or not? This means good, this means okay, and it means not. Good, very, okay, well done. Okay, how about activities? Is it good, okay, or not? Good, okay. How about being nice? Can you be nice? For example, to your friends or to your family? Is it good, okay, or not? Is it good, okay, or not? Good. Is it good or okay? Just okay? All right. Things at home. How about things at home? Okay, good. How about rooms? Okay, how about rooms? For example, living rooms, bathrooms, kitchens. Okay, good. How about numbers? Numbers, it's okay? All right. How about being helpful? Helpful. Okay, so it's also okay. All right, Trinam. So we are now in phonics. A bonus page. Okay. Exercise A. Listen, point, and say. It is SH sounds. Sounds of alphabet. SH. Okay, what is this? Can you read this for me, Trinam? What is this? Hmm? Very good. And how about this one? What is this?
Cells.
Shell. Very good. And how about this? What number is this?
3. Ring.
Think. Very good.
Chair.
Well done. Okay.
Chin.
Jean. Good job. And whale.
Wheel.
Okay, whale. And this one is?
Wheel.
This one is whale.
Wow.
And this one is wheel.
Well.
Wheel.
Wheel.
Wheel. Okay.
Phone.
Phone.
Photo.
Okay. What is this again?
Wheel.
Whale.
Wheel.
Okay. And this one? What is this again?
Wheel.
Wheel. Very good. Okay. Listen and read. Okay. Can you read this for me? The ship is on.
Ship is on the chair.
Very good.
The wheels has a wheel.
The whale has.
A wheel.
Very good. Okay. Last one.
There are 3 phones.
Yes. There are 3 phones. Alright, so another reading exercise. Make a model room. Okay. Can you read number 1 for me? Color.
Color the room. Make the room.
Put.
Put the people in the room.
Okay, so I have prepared an model room here, but first let's try to read this exercise B. Okay. Can you read this for me, Trinam? What's
he doing? He's drinking.
He's drinking.
Is there a sofa in front of the bookshelf? Yes, there is.
Okay. So do you have your own room? Do you have your own bedroom? Yes or no? Do you have your own bedroom? Yes or no? Yes. And what's in it? What are the things inside your room? Okay. For example, here I prepared a model room. Look at the screen. Can you see the screen, Trinam?
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk about this image. For example, is there a table in front of the sofa? What is your answer? Yes, there is, or no, there. Yes, there is, or no, there aren't. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Okay. Is there a chair next to the TV? Is there a chair next to the TV?
No.
Yes, there is. Okay, how about this lamp? Is there a lamp behind the chair? Yes, there is, or no, there aren't. Or
Yes,
no, there
there is.
isn't. Or no, there isn't. Hmm? Is there a lamp behind the chair?
No.
Yes, there is. The lamp the lamp is behind the chair. Okay. And how many windows you can see? How many windows? There are there are there are how many windows you can see in the picture? There are two. Hmm? Hello, Trinam?
Teacher.
Okay, so how many windows you can see in the picture? There are two.
The window.
Yes, there are two windows. All right. Since we don't have much time, Trinam, we will going to finish our lesson from here, okay? We will going to continue next on Friday, all right? I'll see you again on Friday. Okay, have a good night, Trinam. Bye-bye.
Teacher.
Bye-bye.